Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take a screenshot in Infinix Note 40. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. Okay, firstly we have three options to take a screenshot. The first one is very easy and simple. All you have to do just pull down the bar and we have the option of a screenshot here. Just click here, then screenshot is done. So this is the first method. Then we have another method in which you have to take your three finger and then swipe it down like this. As you guys see, the screenshot is done already. For partial screenshot, take your three finger and then long press on your screen like this. So if you want to take the screenshot of this application only, so just crop it and then press save button. So this is the second method, and we have also third method which is very easy and simple too. All you have to do just press power button and volume down button at the same time. So as you see, the screenshot is done. So now I am checking the results. This one is of power button and volume button. This is partial screenshot, this is three finger swipe down screenshot, and this is pull down bar screenshot. So these are three methods through which you can take a screenshot in Infinix Note 40. So if this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.